Are you tired of the daily struggle with your computer, feeling like every click and keystroke is a battle against inefficiency? Does navigating simple tasks feel like an uphill climb, where your mouse seems to have a mind of its own, leading to endless frustration and wasted time? Imagine a world where your digital tools empower you, where every interaction is smooth, precise, and effortless, transforming your productivity. Our company offers basic computer and Windows training, as well as essential mouse and keyboard skills. We cover all aspects of mouse usage, including basic point and click, double clicking, and click and drag functions to navigate the operating system efficiently. Proper keyboard techniques, correct posture, and finger placement for touch typing are taught to build speed and accuracy. In addition, we cover the basics of the Microsoft Office suite: Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. We are now available on most social media platforms. Choose us for fast turnaround, 100% remote and flexible, experienced and trustworthy. Contact us on 084 705 6344 to explore our offerings and solutions. Our service offerings are now available throughout South Africa, bringing expert training directly to you.